New arrival, VAT qualifying Range Rover D300 SE, but this car's all about the specifications. It's the first one I've had for a long time, which has got Santorini Black exterior, Perlino interior. Specification, it's got electric deployable £3,000 optional extra side steps. It's got 23-inch wheels, it's got Shadowline exterior, and it's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. You don't get them as standard, so it's got the sliding sunroof, the steps, the 23s, it's VAT qualifying, it's done 4,000 miles. It is beautiful. It's a 73. So the car's got 2.5 years Land Rover warranty and assist. The price point with these cars now, this car's £104,990. This car, 6 to 12 months ago, we were retailing them for 125 to 130. It's beautiful, it's the right colour combination, and it's a stunning car. Shadowline exterior gives the anthracite finishing on the badging, the inserts on all them front sections of the grille. Adaptive headlights, auto headlights, digital lights, 23s, big extra. You don't get these as standard, they're being paid for as an option. Little mud flaps you can see, Atlas fence done in that colour as well. The steps are a big one. I'm just in the process of selling another Range Rover guy, and he's seen this car with the electric steps. He said, why hasn't mine hasn't got the electric steps? Because they haven't paid for it as an option. This car's got them. Privacy glass at the rear, little mud flaps at the back. It sits and looks tremendous being in Santorini, really shows off them lovely lights. And Perlino inside, which I think is wonderful. Soft closed doors. Now let me show you this interior. It's been spec'd right, this car, because we've got Santorini outside, Perlino inside, gloss black grand veneer, which is that gloss black finishing, Meridian speaker. Look at the interior, it's beautiful, the car. It's got that beautiful Perlino throughout, lighter roof lining. It just suits the exterior with that light interior. And I think if I was building one, I was going for Santorini, I'd put Perlino in and I'd put the gloss black grand veneer, because I just think it makes it. I think if you look at the door cards, the extended leather, your memory seats, and that gloss black grand veneer just makes such a difference. And then if we get in, heated leather steering wheel, all is standard, adaptive cruise is standard, your big 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen, your digital cockpit, so you get all them standard features on the new Range Rover. But on top of that, the big one is tilt and sliding sunroof. On an SE Range Rover, you don't get that as standard. That's been paid for as an option. The gloss black grand veneer runs all around this lovely centre. You can see the cabin lighting throughout where you can adjust it. Into the main menu, I'll show you other features. So you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your navigation. Your seats are very, very comfortable. So you've got 20-way heated. You've got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back. But if I go to the adjustments, you've got all the different options. So the seats, and every person who's bought a new Range Rover off me have really commented on how nice the new seats are. Android Auto, your 360 camera system, which is superb. Look at that. Deployable side steps can be turned on and turned off if you just want to keep them in for a bit. This car's got park assist. Now that's been paid for as an option. That was an optional extra tick box. And then you've got your Bluetooth, your navigation, your cabin lighting. You can adjust all the interior colours. I'll just load that up so you can see at the moment it's in ultraviolet. That can be changed. Beautiful, absolutely stunning car. I'll show you in the boot. Electric tailgate, huge boot space. Split folding. Them seats, that row seats are all electronically adjustable as well. So if you want to drop them down, look at that. You just press the button, so easy. But that is D300 Santorini Black with Perlino VAT qualifying, 23s, sliding sunroof, electric deployable side steps and shadow line and park assist. Great spec. It's going live on the website. Thank you for watching.